In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay Lazada with Gcash. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, ensure you have a Gcash account with a sufficient balance. Also, make sure you have your Lazada account ready and a stable internet connection. First, open the Lazada app on your device. Once you're in, browse through the wide array of products available. Select the items you wish to purchase by tapping on them. After making your selections, tap on the Add to Cart button. This step is important because it allows you to gather all your desired items in one place. It also gives you the chance to review them before making a final decision. Once you've added your items to the cart, it's time to proceed to checkout. To do this, tap the cart icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Here, take a moment to carefully review your order. Make sure everything you need is there and the quantities are correct. Attention to detail at this stage can save you from any hassle later on. After you're satisfied with your order, tap on the Checkout button. Next up, you need to select your payment method. Under Payment Method, you'll see several options. Choose Gcash from the list. Opting for Gcash is a smart choice because it offers a quick and secure way to complete your transaction. With that ready, tap on the Pay Now button. This action will redirect you to the Gcash platform. Now you may be prompted to log into your Gcash account. If this happens, simply enter your credentials to access your account. If you're already logged in, you'll be directed straight to the payment page. This is where you can review the payment details. Double-check everything to ensure accuracy. Reviewing your payment before finalizing is crucial to prevent any errors and ensure that you're charged the correct amount. Once you're ready, proceed to pay. After a successful transaction, you will see a confirmation message. This reassures you that your payment has been processed and your order will be on its way soon. Remember, keeping track of these confirmations helps you verify that everything has gone smoothly. And there you have it. Paying for your Lazada purchases with Gcash is both simple and efficient. By following these steps, you can enjoy a seamless shopping experience. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with the payment process for a more confident and stress-free transaction. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and informative. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher. Happy shopping and enjoy the convenience of paying with Gcash.